To get Abi. Okay, I'm on my way coming. Where this guy now? Tell me say you get kids now. You know, Allah will do that. What am I doing? I don't know you.
You dey mad? Shut up!
Your forefather no be say we abi. You dey mad?
Abeg.
No be honorable pikin be this. I don't know you.
Shut up!
I don't know you.
You think say abi you think say you come play for you? Abi I dey play with you? Eh? You think say I dey play with you?
After this place,
see, you don dey graveyard captive o.
You don't know wetin they call me? My name na graveyard.
Na graveyard be my name. I be graveyard.
What am I doing for you?
Your papa. You don't know how many years you I don use for Sanko. Your papa use me finish. Come neglect me. Police gon catch me. I come dey suffer for Sanko for Popo side. You think say, see as I dey like this, I no dey okay. As I wan kill you, na I dey find like this. Your papa. We go help and keep person. We go help and rob. We go help and kill fellow politician. He go dey give us small money. If wahala come happen, your papa come leave us. He come say make we go dey play for Sanko.
Daddy.
You think say I no go come out again? I don come out na you I wan come kill like this. Wetin me say? You go carry your phone comot, call your papa, say you dey graveyard side. If I don mention graveyard, your papa go don know say na death be that. I no send. Oya, call your papa, carry your phone. Come on your phone, come pick out your phone, Jare. You dey mad? Since I come play for you, call your papa, Joe. I dey craze.
Hello, daddy. They don't arrest me.
I be police. Give me your phone. Honorable. Yes, your pikin dey graveyard side. You think say I no go come out? I don come out for Sango, I don come out. God go punish you, honorable. Your pikin dey die na. I dey tell you so, honorable. You dey mad. You know wetin happen like this? If you want your pikin back, bring 30 million, just small money. Nah. The 30 million I go use release am or else. This evening your pikin won't die. He go die. As I dey tell you so, he won't die. Nah. You don't know wetin I be. I be graveyard. As I dey tell you 30 million, I don't want cap too much. Come on my phone. Take your phone. As I dey tell you so, if your papa no bring money, you won't die. 30 million or you die.